Hey everybody, it's Aaron with Weekends with the Camper, and I have my beautiful wife standing over there holding a cutting board. So we've had our house on the market since end of February, beginning of March, and it is now October 4th, and we still haven't sold. Kind of a problem with small town homes. We're 25 miles from the closest actual big town and 50 miles from big city. So those houses have been going like crazy all summer long, but come to the small towns, not so many people want to move away from the big cities, between the jobs and all that stuff. But so we more or less, we still have the house up on the market. But it's getting that time of year that we need to move back home. We've spent majority of the summer living out of the camper. You got a couple videos of us using the new embroidery machine in the camper. I don't think that embroidery machine's even been used in the house yet, has it? No. So since we've moved pretty much everything out of the house, we decided to claim one of the rooms back in for our Etsy shop and for a hobby room or craft room. So we needed something that was sturdy to start off with for Lacey and I to be able to cut, and a nice sturdy workplace. And this is what we come up with. We took a couple of the mainstay 9 cube, I'd say bookshelf, 9 cube bookshelf, and then we took a couple of the 24-inch shelves from Menards, and basically I just ran a 2x4 between the two to give me the support right here, because it's like to bow down, and made ourselves a nice, pretty close to 4 foot by 6 foot work table. We got plenty of storage to be able to put all Lacey's fabric or all our fabric down there. Put a cutting mat on top. We both can work on here without being in each other's way very easily. This is just the start of our craft room and Etsy shop room. So keep an eye out for more. There's going to be more modifications done to this as we get used to what we need. We're still trying to figure it out, but we know we're going to do some vinyl. We're going to be doing some embroidery. I believe you're planning on doing some blankets and some quilts. Some of that will be on the Etsy shop. Some of it won't be. Some of it's just going to be for our own personal use. But as you can see, Lacey's already starting to fill up the slots with fabric. But if you remember this room, we had a love seat there, a recliner over there, a big couch there. We had a big 65-inch TV over there. What else did we have in here? We had a little puzzle table over there for her, kind of where the doll's at. We still got the fridge up here, so we're going to plug that back in and get that going again. But we have plenty of lighting in this room. Lights and lights and lights everywhere. So I think this will be a good room to get started in and be able to grow to our I bet we could grow out of this room real quick, but this will get us started. Thanks for watching. Please like, follow, subscribe, and give us any pointers or leads on our craft room and what we're going to come up with it.